Here is how to stop Badoo automatic renewal. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, we will discuss how you can stop the automatic renewal in Badoo. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. When you log into your Badoo account, you will come to the encounter section like this. Now tap on the profile icon from the bottom right. After that, tap on the settings icon on the top. Then after, tap on account preferences. After that, go to payment settings. Now if you have subscribed the premium, it will show Badoo premium active instead of not active, and then you will get the unsubscribe button instead of get Badoo premium. In order to cancel automatic renewal, you can simply tap on unsubscribe and the renewal will be cancelled. Let me remind you that unless you cancel the subscription by tapping on unsubscribe, your premium plan will be automatically renewed on the app. Now let's say you can't log into your account, then even in such cases the premium will be automatically renewed. Now if you are facing such issue, then in order to cancel such renewal, you can try contacting Badoo support. For this, you can directly contact them on social media such as Facebook and Twitter. Other than this, you can also search for Badoo feedback in your browser, then after try to contact the Badoo moderators. So in this way you can stop Badoo automatic renewal. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.